Reverse warrior pose. For this, you stand on the front of the mat. Take your right leg back side. Both the legs should be aligned. Both the ankles should be in the same line. Bend the front knee and come down as much as possible. Now raise your left hand up. Take it towards back. Bend it as much as possible, keeping your shoulders front. Your chest should not go down like this. It should be always open. Keep your chest open. Keep your right palm on your right calf. You can take it support. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds or 10 to 15 breath maximum in the same way. If you are not comfortable, you can hold your left hand through your right and pull it towards the lateral band. Now slowly you can relieve your pose and straighten your both the legs. Now turn towards the other side. Bend your right leg, bend your right knee and take your right hand up. Bend towards the left side. Let the chest be open and support your side through the other palm on the left leg. Hold the pose another 15 seconds once again. Then gradually release and come to the straight. For Chaturanga, which is also known as low plank, come on the knees and come on the high plank. From the high plank, you have to just push yourself a little front and come on your elbow level. Elbows should be closed. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds. Your body should be in the straight line. Your hips, neither it is up nor it is down. Now slowly you can come on your knees and relieve from the pose and sit back. For Utkatta Asana, come front. Now bend your knees and raise your hands up. Your knees should not be forwarded beyond your toes. Now take your left hand down towards your right and your right hand towards up to the ceiling. Look up either or look front if you don't have any neck issues. Hold in the pose for around 15 breaths or 15 seconds. Now come down, be in the Utkatta again and you can come to the straight. Now repeat the pose towards the other side. Now we'll bend on our knees in the same way and raise our hands up. Now take your right hand towards your left and your left hand towards the ceiling. Hold your ankles from your right palm and be in the pose for another 15 seconds. Now after 15 seconds, slowly you can come up and raise your hands up and come to the stand. For Sarvangasana, come down, sit and lie down on your back. Now lift both your legs up. With the hand support, you try to push it up as much as possible and try to straighten your back till your toes. So you will be standing basically on your shoulders. So your shoulders and your toes are in one line. Try to make it straight as much as possible. Your chin will touch to your chest and hold in the pose for another 15 seconds or 15 breath counts. After 15 seconds, bring your legs slowly down and cross your legs, hold your toes and come up to the sit. For Trikonasana, open your feet 2 feet distance apart. Now bend your left leg towards your left side and right feet towards front. Both should be aligned. Now raise both of your hands up to your shoulder level and bend to the left side, touching your left ankle using your left hand and right hand towards the ceiling. Up. Hold in the same pose for another 15 seconds. Hold your pose in such a way that your shoulder should not fall front. It should always remain vertical to the ground. Now slowly come up and keep your hands straight on the shoulder level. Now bend towards the right side and your left hand will be towards the ceiling. Hold this side also for 15 seconds or count your 15 breaths. Now slowly come up and straighten your arms and your legs.